Hello dear students, good to see you again. Most welcome ঘরে বসে শিখি. I hope you are pretty much well. I am also fine. Today I am going to teach you how to write question and answer from the unseen passage. Okay? So please take your notebook and pen and in front of the class in front of your Facebook page ঘরে বসে শিখি. Students, in your primary education completion examination, you can see unseen passage and you should have answered the questions. They are given 5 questions. So at first you should have read out the unseen text quickly. After that you go through the questions so that you can find the answer. Please have a look and see the screen and you read out silently with me. All right? Water is essential for agriculture, but in our country it is sometimes a blessing and sometimes a curse for agriculture. If the rain falls in time, we get bumper crops, but if it is excessive, it destroys most of our crops by flooding the fields. However, in dry season, especially in late spring and early summer, which is the time for preparation of agricultural land and for sowing seeds, our farmers almost all over the country accurately feel the need for irrigation, as rainfall is scarce and unpredictable during that period, since we are still heavily dependent on nature for agriculture. The farmers suffer almost every for lack of water during the dry season. Although we have the advantage of large number rivers, we have not yet been able to develop a good irrigation system. Only a few of the canals we have are man-made. The canals that we have either silt up or dry up during the season. A program for digging and re-excavating canals on a large scale was initiated few years ago, but it did not continue for lack of necessary incentive. I hope you read with me silently with help of your guardian. This is an unseen passage. So now we go to the questions. Answer the following questions in sentences. First one is, when do we get bumper crops? When do you get bumper crops? Second one is, why do the farmers feel the need for irrigation? Move to the third one. Why do farmers suffer in summer? Which are we dependent on for our agriculture? Write 2 uses of water. Let's see again the unseen passage. Please try to find out the answer from these unseen passages. Okay? Please write down in your notebook. I think everyone have completed. Let's move the questions again and check our answer. First one is, we get bumper crops if the rain falls. First answer is we get bumper crops if the rain falls. Please check your answer. If right, you give tick marks. B. As the rainfall is scarce and unpredictable, farmers need of irrigation. I think you are good students. You can find out from these unseen passages. Let's move number C. Farmers suffer in summer because lack of water during the dry season. In summer it is dry season, so then lack of water, farmer needs water. Let's move D. Answer D. We are dependent on nature for our agriculture. We are dependent on nature for our agriculture. I think you are all right. Yeah? Okay. Last one. Where we use water? We use water for drinking, for washing, and as you wish you can write down. Because you use water a lots of and in our houses or other side. Okay. Dear students, in the meantime we have learned how to write question and answer from the unseen passage. So you have to, at first you have to read out the text quickly. After that you go to the questions. Then you have to write down subject and then verb. After that the extension and answer. We have no extra grammar book, but we have to learn tense, which is present tense and which is past tense, because you can see in your text also present tense and past tense, use of present tenses and past tenses. Okay. Now every day we learn one day one word, but it is not from unseen passage, it is from collect our textbook. So I write down here one word. First, please repeat with me and pronounce fast. F-A-S-T. Fast means Bangla meaning druto, and similar word is quick. Fast, druto, quick. Now make a sentence. Can you walk fast? Fast, druto, quick. Can you walk fast? Okay. I think you can understood. You have understood. So I am going to give you a homework, because you are stay at home with your parents. You have to study. We have no school. I think it is familiar to you. It is a familiar story, The Lion and the Mouse. You have a exercise book, a lot of exercise book. There you can see this story, The Lion and the Mouse. You will write the following questions from The Lion and the Mouse text and answer the questions in your, write down the answer of the questions and keep in your house, because when your school will reopen, you have to show your teacher. Okay, can you understand? I think you are understood, because you are brilliant, excellent students. So see you again next time.